In invisible bonds, live, visible breakthroughs. ChenTao Tape with every precision connects the world's creations. From R&D labs to production floors, we weave R&D production sales into one force. The full process automation includes coatings, rewinding, cutting, and die cutting. And every step holds micron-level rigor. ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001. These are not just certificates, they're also a reassurance for you. High-performance new materials are our answer to fit for purpose. VHB Tape steadily bears your load requirements. Biodegradable Tape shares your commitment to the planet. High-Temp Insulating Tape stands guard in extreme environments. Plus thermal conductive special tapes, explosion-proof UV release films. New energy materials ready. There's always one that fits just right. On car chassis, it replaces rivets, lightening bodies by 18%, more efficient, more eco. In lithium battery packs, it builds a barrier hiding safety in details. In smartphone precision parts, Aerospace critical bonds. It breaks old limitations, being invisible yet vital support. Partners in 170+ countries have seen our efficiency. 24-hour samples reach your hands on time. 48 hours solutions respond with sincerity. Customs needs, just ask. 3,200+ enterprises' choice is trust and more tacit understanding. ChenTao doesn't sell just tapes, but solutions to your bonding challenges, a partner to break through bottlenecks. From technical collaboration to long-term journey, together we make every connection lead to a better future.